Hi guys, it's Michelle here at My Everyday Wife Life, and you can see my dining room table is a mess. And I'm here to do a tablescape, a end of summer tablescape for you that is put together by Kimberly Davis from DB Designing on a Dime. And yeah, I have a mess. I mean, I don't know, I just have not been in the mood for decorating the whole summer. I don't really decorate during the summer anyway, but I did want to do a tablescape, and I've been playing, you know, just a simple tablescape, and I was not liking anything, and then I just like left it, and there's stuff here, and then I'm like, well, maybe I'll do fall now, and and then of course there's my husband's laptops here, I got lists here, I got AC stuff here, because we've had several people coming over, and we sat down at the table to talk about new AC because we're getting that. And yeah, and I pulled and there's a tablecloth over here that was from outside because it was getting moldy, because here in Florida it just happens. And I don't know what I was doing, but then Kimberly posted, I was just gonna leave it, and the table got cluttered up, and there's a vacuum cleaner over there. And, but then Kimberly posted an open invite to do a summer tablescape. So I decided that I'm going to do that. I'm going to clear everything off and show you the process I do to, do a tablescape. I'm going to clean the table really good, dust it. It needs a good dusting anyway. And, yeah, clear all this stuff off. And I don't know where I wanted to go with this. I've been thinking about it on and off through the summer. Wanted to do something a little different, just for a simple, not necessarily summer, but a non-seasonal tablescape. And I did end up picking these up from Target. So I have two of those. I don't know if I'm going to use those. I pulled the birds from outside. They were on the porch. I did get some new yellow candles, and I don't know. So right now I'm going to put you, I guess, on the tripod, and I'm going to clear all this stuff off. And here was my attempt to start something there, and that never happened. I was going to put fresh flowers in there. So I'm going to clear everything off, redo it, dust, then redo it, and show you what I come up with. Yeah, let me get started. simple. Good enough. And that is, I'm going to keep this out probably till the end of September. I am just not in the mood to do fall really right now. I just needed to clean up this table and put the two little things that I bought here. Like I said, from Target. I got these before the summer from Ross. Yes, they were from Ross. And I've had these box flowers from Target a couple years ago. The tree rounds are from either Target or Ross or Marshall's. The table runner is from World Market. And I recently got some new candles because my other ones were looking a little peaked, so I wanted some yellow candles for summer. And I just pulled off, I bought a bunch of different bouquets and I just pulled them off the stems and stuck them in here. You saw I had it in that other dish in my family room, but I decided to put them in here. I've been liking putting fresh flowers in a non-traditional container, meaning not a vase. But I didn't get a chance to go to the store. When I do, I'm going to put fresh flowers in here. And you may have seen that on Instagram where I have a couple other things around the house that I have fresh flowers in. That is not a vase. I kind of like that rather than the traditional vase. And Kimberly asked us to incorporate some fruit. So I have some lemons and limes down the bottom here. They are plastic. Here in Florida, it's really hard to keep fresh fruit out. It will spoil fast even inside in the AC. So these are lotus pods, vase fillers I got from Target. I believe these are from the Target dollar spot. And then this is some moss. And this dish is from Goodwill. It is a quiche dish. And I put it on a candlestick with the museum putty. And that was from Goodwill. And then I put it on top of this cake plate, which is from Target, which I've had all of these things for a while. The candlesticks, if you subscribe to my channel, you've seen them before. I love these. These are one of my favorite Goodwill finds. They were $15 for the pair, and they were ugly black, and I chalk painted them, and they turned out awesome. I just love them. All right, I like how that has turned out. What do you guys think? So that's it for my decor for a while. I don't know when I'm gonna start doing my fall decor. I do have a touch of fall here with the fall pillows, but it matches my dining room anyway, but I don't always have them there. I am thinking of painting that yellow. I've told you guys that before. Painting that wall yellow to brighten up the room a little bit. So, you know, the room is the dark orange, which is fall color. So I do have a tiny bit of touch of fall here. I went to Hobby Lobby the other day and got these, no, it wasn't Hobby Lobby? Michael's. Went to Michael's and got some hydrangeas and these, and I just loved how that looked. So even though I have a summer tablescape, that is going there. And yeah, and the rest of this is always here, but it's kind of fall. Because that's just what the decor is in this room, is those orange colors. All right, guys, that's it. Don't forget to check out all the other participants in this collab, the end of summer tablescape, and I'll put a link down below. And yeah, that's it for this video. Hopefully I can get inspired now by watching everybody else's videos to, maybe I'll do just a touch of fall here and there and have multiple videos throughout the season rather than doing one home tour. Let me know what you would like. Would you like a whole home tour, or would you like little bits and pieces? I think I'm leaning toward the little bits and pieces. Alright guys, that's it for this video, and if you're new to my channel, make sure you put subscribe because I will be decorating soon. Maybe later this month, but it will be soon. And of course, you know, Christmas is coming up, but I am keeping it simple this year. I went all out last year, so this year I'm keeping it simple. That's it, guys. And as always, enjoy your day.